In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off your device startup sound on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select device on the left panel. And then on the right side underneath device, select audio. Scrolling all the way to the bottom, there should be something that says device sounds, device startup sound. Click inside that oval to toggle it off to the left, basically, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.